Hi everyone, next stop is India, birthplace of one of my grandmothers, home of my favourite food in the whole world, and spiritual home to George Harrison. I kind of joke, but India's rich culture has left a distinctive mark on many things I love. My view has been strictly from the outside though, with little thought of ever going. India has always come to us through food and music and clothes. If it were on my doorstep, it wouldn't seem so magical. It was also special as it was to be at the wedding of my friends. Originally, I was just going to show you the street photography, but I wasn't sure I had enough good shots to put a collection together. As you can see, I've decided to combine the wedding photography and the street photography together, and I love seeing the pictures mixed this way. As I was only in the country for a few nights, and the 2-day wedding was in a hotel complex to the north of Bangalore, I was worried that I might not get to properly see the city. I was concerned that I wouldn't get lost, but really I needn't have worried. One late evening drive took us on a journey with neither us nor the driver seeming to know where we were. As we looped lost around the city, we saw the sunset on Bangalore from the main roads, and the dark quickly come in as we nervously explored dead ends and back streets. Today I can't remember where we were even going, but I remember the journey very well. So many of my favourite street photos came from the back of a tuk-tuk. For me the rides never lasted long enough. If I visited again, I'd ask to go places I didn't need to go, just for the ride, just for the photos. All of the wedding pictures here are taken with my Nikon D750, and nearly all of the street pictures with my Fuji X100S. If I can think of any more details, I'll put them in the description. I did also take the Nikon out with me as it focused much quicker in the dark. It's far from the perfect camera for street photography, but as I'd brought it all this way, I thought I'd at least let it see the city. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everyone who's subscribed in the last few weeks. I've got lots of ideas for more photography videos, and I can't wait to make them.